Have you ever wondered why we sneeze? This simple yet fascinating reflex is your body's way of defending itself. In today's video, we'll explore the science behind sneezing, uncovering why it happens, what goes on in our body when we sneeze, and some surprising facts about this natural phenomenon. Sneezing, or sternutation, is a mechanism your body uses to clear the nose. When foreign particles like dirt, pollen, or smoke enter your nostrils, they irritate the delicate skin and tiny hairs lining your nasal passage. This irritation sends a signal to your brain, which triggers a sneeze to expel these invaders. Sneezing isn't just about keeping your nose clean, it's also one of your body's first lines of defense against bacteria and bugs. With an incredible force, a sneeze ejects water, mucus, and air, clearing your nasal environment in the process. So, what exactly happens when you sneeze? The process starts when the delicate lining of your nose senses a foreign substance. It sends an electric signal to your brain, which quickly coordinates a series of reflex actions. Your eyes close, your tongue presses against the roof of your mouth, and your muscles brace themselves. All of this happens in mere seconds before you release that powerful sneeze. Interestingly, a sneeze does more than just expel irritants. According to a 2012 study by researchers, sneezing acts as a reset button for your nose. It reboots the cilia, or tiny cells that line the nasal tissue, ensuring your nose is ready to filter out more particles. However, this reset mechanism might not work as effectively for people with chronic nasal issues like sinusitis. Not all sneezes are triggered by allergens or irritants. For instance, up to 1/3 of the population experiences a photic sneeze reflex, where looking at bright light causes sneezing. This phenomenon, also known as the solar sneeze reflex, is still not fully understood. You might also notice that some people sneeze multiple times in a row. While researchers aren't entirely sure why this happens, it could indicate ongoing nasal stimulation or weaker individual sneezes. Although sneezing is typically harmless, it can sometimes indicate underlying issues. Frequent sneezing without an obvious cause might warrant a visit to your doctor. Additionally, sneezing can exacerbate certain conditions such as nosebleeds or migraines. If you're dealing with persistent sneezing, it's worth investigating further. Regardless of why you sneeze, it's crucial to practice proper sneeze hygiene. Cover your nose and mouth with a tissue or sneeze into your upper sleeve to prevent the spread of germs. Always wash your hands afterward to keep yourself and others safe. So, the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember, it's not just an annoyance, but an essential part of your body's defense system. Thanks for joining us as we explored the fascinating science of sneezing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it interesting. See you next time.